fears in fading light. The stars are calling, soft and low. I follow where their whispers go. My heart dissolves in cosmic rain. The quiet soothes the ache and pain. The moonlight hums, the shadows sigh. I drift into the endless sky. And in this glow I find release. The night becomes my only peace. Midnight veil, cover me. Hide the scars I used to see. Every breath a gentle prayer, floating softly through the air. Midnight veil, calm and deep. Sing me slow until I sleep. Every thought, every trail fades away in midnight veil. The constellations start to fade, but in the dark my hope is made. I hear your voice, I see your flame. The stars all whisper out your name. The silence wraps around my soul. It fills the cracks, it makes me whole. The night reveals what day can't show. The peace within begins to grow. I close my eyes, I start to feel the world is quiet, calm and real. Midnight veil, cover me. Hide the scars I used to see. Every breath a gentle prayer, floating softly through the air. Midnight veil, calm and deep. Sing me slow until I sleep. Every thought, every trail fades away in midnight veil. The world outside begins to slow. My mind lets go, the rivers flow. In quiet dark I find my truth. The night returns what I once knew. Midnight veil, take me far. Guide me home beneath the stars. Every tear, every sigh falls like rain across the sky. Midnight veil, hold me tight through the silence of the night. Every sound, every trail drifts away in midnight veil. Drift away. Stars grow dim, the dawn grows pale. I'll dream again in midnight veil. stars, I feel the thrill. Every shadow softly sways. The echoes hum our yesterdays. The world's alive, the sky's awake. The moment's ours to recreate. Every dream begins to start in the glow of my skyline heart. My skyline heart, it shines for you. Through the dark and through the blue. Every light, every spark guides me home through the dark. My skyline heart, it won't decay. It finds the calm in a night's display. Every rhythm, every part breathes in you. My skyline heart. Let it go, let it be. We're alive in melody. Every sound a brand new start, pulsing through. My skyline heart, it shines for you. Glowing bright the whole night through. Every tear and every mark lights the dark like city sparks. My skyline heart, it won't decay. The stars will guide our way. Every rhythm, every part sings of love. My skyline heart. The dawn will come, but I'll still see your light in every part of me. My skyline heart will never part. It beats for you, my skyline heart. The city sleeps, but I'm awake, tracing dreams the night can't take. Every whisper soft and true feels like echoes, echoes of you. The lights reflect on empty streets. Time dissolves where silence meets. Your voice still lingers in the air. I turn around, but you're not there. I still feel you in the sound, where the rhythm pulls me down. In the echoes of you, I remain. Through the calm, through the rain, every heartbeat, every hue still belongs to the memory you. In the echoes of you, I survive that quiet song that kept me alive. Every wave, every view sings the echoes, echoes of you. The stars above begin to fade as dawn arrives in silver shade. I walk the line where past is near. Your laughter rings so crystal clear. The air still hums your melody. It breathes inside the heart of me. Distance hides what once we knew. I still exist in the echo of you. I close my eyes and drift away. Your voice returns, it wants to stay. the shadows tune. I dance alone beneath the moon. In the echoes of you, I remain. The light still whispers your name. Every rhythm, every sigh carries you across the sky. The night fades out, but not the truth. I'll always breathe the echoes of you.
I see the stars reflect your eyes, 1,000 dreams across the skies. The night is slow, the air is clear. Your memory pulls me near. The silent song's a melody.
It's whispering you back to me. I breathe your name, the lights respond. The universe and I belong. And in the dark I hear your tone. A starlight echo, not my own.
In the starlight echo, I remain. Through the calm, through the rain, every shimmer, every hue sings a quiet song of you. In the starlight echo, I believe what we lost we can retrieve.
Every sound, every echo, I believe. What we lost we can retrieve. Every sound, every glow feels like you. The starlight echo.
The sky unfolds its silver wings. The night begins to silence sing. The world stands still, the city sleeps. I count the stars that love still keeps.
The distance fades, the air is kind. I leave my fears so far behind. The stars remind me what is true. The light remains because of you.
Between the beats, between the lines, I find your voice within the sigh.
In the starlight echo, I remain. Through the calm, through the rain, every shimmer, every hue sings a quiet song of you. In the starlight echo, I believe what we lost we can retrieve.
In the starlight echo, I believe what we lost we can retrieve. Every sound, every glow hear your starlight echo.
The night is gone, the world awakes, a golden glow across the lakes. The breeze is soft, the sky is wide. I feel the warmth I've kept inside. The clouds drift slow, the day begins. I taste the peace upon my skin. Every color starts to play, a brand new hope in light of day. And I can feel it deep within the calm, the glow, the breath of wind. Golden rise, lead me through, show me skies and brighter hue. Every shadow fades away when the morning lights the way. Golden rise, pure and free, breathe your sunlight into me. Every heart, every side comes alive in golden sky. The river shines, the earth feels new, the world reborn in golden hue. My heartbeat flows, my mind is clear. I let go of the doubt and fear. The day unfolds, the time is kind, the past is soft, it stays behind. The sky expands, the colors glow. I rise with everything I know. The air is calm, the rhythm slow. I breathe at dawn, I let it show. Golden rise, lead me through, show me skies and brighter hue. Every shadow fades away when the morning lights the way. Golden rise, pure and free, breathe your sunlight into me. Every heart, every side comes alive in golden sky. Let it shine, don't hold it back. The world will follow in your track. Every spark becomes the flame, every tear forgets its name. Golden rise, take me home, where I'm free, where I've grown. Every light across the sea reflects the hope inside of me. Golden rise, pure and true. Every dream is born anew. Through the calm and through the sky, I'll keep shining. Golden rise. The world is warm, my soul complies. I breathe again beneath golden skies. Ooh. stars are white. I feel the world from deep inside. My shadow fades beneath the rain, but in my chest I breathe again. The air is cold, the lights are dim. My thoughts are quiet, calm and thin. I close my eyes, I feel the hum, the sound of where I've come undone. And every silence has a sound, a pulse that shakes the solid ground. In the silent pulse, I'm alive. Through the dark, I still survive. Every breath a steady flame, calling softly out my name. In the silent pulse, I belong. In the quiet, I am strong. Every wave beneath my skin beats the life I hold within. The city fades and night consumes. Echoes hum in empty rooms. My heart becomes a distant sound, a rhythm lost but never found. The moonlight paints the air so thin. I lose myself and breathe again. I find my peace, I find my place. Between the beats, I find your trace. And in the dark, I understand. The quiet speaks, it takes my hand. In the silent pulse, I'm alive. Through the dark, I still survive. Every breath a steady flame, calling softly out my name. In the silent pulse, I belong. In the quiet, I am strong. Every wave beneath my skin beats the life I hold within. The soundless wind, the empty air still remind me you were there. Every silence holds your tune, like faded light beneath the moon. In the silent pulse, I'm alive. Where lost dreams still survive. Every beat, both soft and true, pulls me closer back to you. In the silent pulse, I remain. Through the stillness, through the rain. Every wave beneath my skin whispers peace from deep within. The sound is gone, but I still hear the pulse of life that keeps me near. In every hush, in every low, I find my soul. The silent pull. The silent pull. thoughts dissolve beneath the glow, where endless skies begin to flow. I close my eyes, the world turns blue. The stars align and lead me through. I feel the calm, I feel the shift. I fade away in aurora drift. In the aurora drift, I'm free, floating through infinity. Every color is soft and wild, feels like earth and heaven smile. In the aurora drift, I stay, all my fears just fade away. Every breath becomes a gift as I fall into the drift. The lights above, they start to sing a melody on trembling wings. The night becomes a glowing sea, and every wave belongs to me. The wind recalls forgotten names, a fleeting love and burning flames. Yet in the glow I understand, I'm held in peace by unseen hands. I lose the way, I lose the pain. The drift is soft, it calls my name. In the aurora drift, I'm free, floating through infinity. Every color is soft and wild, feels like earth and heaven smile. In the aurora drift, I stay, all my fears just fade away. Every breath becomes a gift as I fall into the drift. The light moves slow, it touches me. The sky becomes a melody. I hear the pulse of something real, the peace the universe can feel. Drift away, drift away, drift away. keeps moving on. Reflections on the empty glass remind me how the moments pass. I see your shadow soft and white. It disappears with morning's tide. The world turns quiet, soft and slight beneath the glow of fading light. Fading lights don't go away. Keep the dark and doubt at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still, shining softly on the hill. Every echo, every tone feels like I'm not all alone. I walk these streets I used to know. The night moves fast, the stars move slow. The neon hums, the shadows gleam. It feels like fragments of a dream. The past returns, the air is sweet with memories that softly meet. The sound of peace, the scent of rain brings me home to you again. The night reminds, though time has flown, that love can live in undertones. Fading lights don't go away. Keep the dark and doubt at bay. Every heartbeat, every sigh burns beneath the silent sky. Fading lights, I see you still, shining softly on the hill. Every echo, every tone feels like I'm not all alone. I still hear your voice in rain, calling softly through the pain. Every shimmer, every spark carries warmth into the dark. Fading lights don't fade too fast. Hold this moment, let it last. Every dream we left behind still remains within my mind. Fading lights, I feel you near. Your glow still whispers in my ear. Every echo, every tone leads me back to where I've grown. The night moves on, the stars ignite, but I still shine in fading